Whether you need to repair damage to the bodywork or alloy wheels, a car body filler is required to prepare the surface ready for painting. Ideally, the polyester resin in a filler helps repair dents, but all fillers are not created the same. Considering that no one would like a poor body repair job, we recommend using the best body filler for the best restoration jobs. 1. Bondo Glass Reinforced Filler. This auto body filler provides premium performance when refilling and restoring damages on your car. In particular, this auto body filler can be used on rusted areas, repairing dents, and as a foundation in a car's body holes. As a body repair kit, it also comes with a red cream hardener, compatible with this filler. Subsequently, you won't require backing cloths, fiberglass strips or resins as you repair holes. 2. Bondo Body Filler Original Formula. Another great alternative to fill scratches, holes and dents is this original body filler by Bondo. To start with, this filler is made up of a two-part putty compound that contains a liquid hardener and premium resin-based filler. Also, as one of the best body fillers, this Bondo filler is non-shrinking and highly durable. Thanks to its effective filler compounds, it dries fast and takes the shape of the target area pretty quickly. 3. JB Weld Steelstik Steel Reinforced Epoxy Putty Stick. JB Weld Steelstik is a hand-mixable two-part epoxy putty stick that can quickly repair or rebuild anything made of metal. It is steel-reinforced, non-rusting, and safe for contact with potable water. After kneading the two-part formula, it takes 5 minutes to set and 1 hour to cure. 4. Evercoat Lightweight Body Filler. This car body filler is effective in dealing with holes, scratches and rust. It doesn't handle rust as well as other preceding fillers on this list, but it can still be adequate. It is effective for repair and restorations for eventual fanciful appearances. This exquisite filler is compatible with most car models and paint regimes. 5. Bondo Metal Reinforced Filler. It is an easy spreading filler that is reinforced with aluminum, making it exceptionally strong. It has a fast dry formula that allows for a 5-minute work time and sanding in as little as 20 minutes. It's ideal for cosmetic repairs to auto parts such as frames, pillars, and outer rocker panels, and auto restoration. 6. Duraglass Fiberglass Reinforced Auto Body Filler. It is a rust and waterproof single short-strand fiberglass body filler that is perfect for metal and fiberglass repair. This 1-gallon body repair putty can be used on rust repairs as well as cracks and holes in fiberglass. It also comes with a finishing putty for a smooth finish.